All of the students. Look at it. Now, today topic is equation of a line. We have already discussed this in vectors. The vector equation for any line, the vector equation of a line passing through in vector equation passing through point A, whose position vector is A bar. So this is position vector of A, right? So on the line there is a point whose position vector is A bar and drawn parallel to B bar. This we have discussed in vector equation. To write the equation of the line in vector form parallel to B bar. This is called direction vector. Direction vector. Parallel to B bar is R bar equals to, what is that? A bar plus T B bar. A bar plus T B bar. This we have already discussed in vector form. Now here there will be extension for that. Okay. So if you want to find the equation of line in 3D form, in 2D form there are different forms. In 2D, point, slope, 2 points like that. In 3D, how to find the equation of the line is this is one form. That means for finding the line, you have to know a point on it. Just like in 2D geometry, you have to know a point on it. There also point slope form will be there. So you have to know the point and its position vector must be known. That means this point, position vector means what? Coordinates of that point. In 3D language, coordinates of that point and the line direction, that means B bar, right? So this is point, you have to know the point coordinates, and this is what? This is nothing but DCs of line. Vector you know means what? DCs of line, right? DCs of line, that vector is nothing but DCs of line. That means if you know a point and DCs, then you can write the vector form like this. Here I have told R bar is nothing but there are number of points on the line. Any point on the line will be represented by PR bar. PR bar. So P R bar represents R bar represents R bar represents any point. R bar represents any point on the line. That means if you want to calculate any point on the line, then we will take that as R bar. Any point P on the line. So this is what vector form. This is vector form. Suppose Cartesian form. The Cartesian form of equation of line passing through in the similar fashion will be there. Here vector language means position vector. Now in 3D means that position vector is nothing but point. That position vector, this A bar can be treated as here x1, y1, z1, position vector. And having DRs A comma B comma C is in Cartesian form always equation will be in x, y, z. Y minus y1 divided by b equals to z minus z1 divided by c. X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c equals to t, where t is a variable parameter. Where t is a variable parameter. Here t is there, here t will be. Look at here, compare with this one. Here, point means, look at this. Point means this one. Point means this one. Here, A bar means what? Point x1, y1, z1. In the numerator, one point is there, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Here, A bar means this point in Cartesian form. Right, x1, y1, z1. And look at in 3D form. In 3D form, this is nothing but x1, y1, z1. This is nothing but x1, y1, z1. Right? B bar is nothing but DRs are known. DRs are known means this is the vector AI plus BJ plus CK. That means this point A is given in Cartesian form x1, y1, z1. That means this A bar will be this A bar will be which vector? x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Z1k. And his line is drawn in the direction of AI plus bj plus ck. And the line is drawn in the direction of AI plus bj plus ck. Look at line is, if you know the point AX1, Y1, Z1, right? And the line has DRs, always here DRs ABC. DRs ABC. If the line point is known and DRs are known, equation of the line is x minus x1 divided by A equal to y minus y1 divided by B equal to z minus z1 divided by C. These three equal to some variable parameter. Look at. Let us consider a point on the line. Any point on the line. This in vector form R bar. In Cartesian form means this xyz we will take. Now look at AP bar, you take AP bar line, right? Line parallel to vector, line parallel to, look at DRs of the line, you write DRs of line. DRs of line are nothing but there are 2 points on it. First consider let Px comma y comma z be any point on line. General point, any point on line. Now 2 points are there. DRs of the line are what? DRs of the line x minus x1, comma y minus y1, comma z minus z1. So line parallel to DRs A, B, C. Look at this line and this line vector is there parallel. Parallel means what? This line and this line are parallel. That means A1 by A2. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. This is one line DRs and it is parallel to this parallel condition I have written for two lines. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. This is called line equation. These three are equal and that is equals to T. And that is equals to T. This is the line in Cartesian form. This is the line in Cartesian form. If one point you know and the line DRs you know, if you have to write the equation means x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B equal to z minus z1 by C equal to T. This is only vector form. Look at vector form of this line. Mutually convertible. This is Cartesian form. Vector form means this point is there. Vector form you have to write means take A bar position vector. Look at this one. x1i plus y1j plus z1k. This is position vector point. Then DRs direction vector. Look at direction vector. B bar equal to take the DRs and write the vector. So therefore vector form is nothing but R bar equals to A bar plus T B bar. So that means x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus some t into ai plus bj plus ck. Like that in Cartesian form line is there. If answer you got this one, he can give in vector form. What he will write R bar equal to this point position vector you write A bar plus T into direction vector you write. This is in vector form. Suppose line is in vector form given. Like this given. You take this point as A, x1, y1, z1 and the direction vectors are there. DRs these are A, B, C. Then you will take this point x1, y1, z1 and DRs A, B, C. DRs A, B, C means this A, B, C. Like that if this is given, this can be written. This is given, this can be written. This T is there here, you will get here T. Like that. Cartesian form and vector form. Sometimes he will give the answer this one. Sometimes he will give the answer this one. Both are convertible. Here look, if you are writing vector form, any point on the line means find the point on the line. X, Y, Z you have to calculate. Here in vector form, find the point on the line. That means R bar you have to calculate. Here point calculation means X, Y, Z calculation. Here point calculation means R bar calculation. Look at this next. Next form is, suppose take an example. Equation of line passing through equation of line passing through 1, 2, 3 and having DRs. dr's 2 comma 2 comma 1. 2 comma 2 comma 1. This is x1 y1 z1. So x minus 1 divided by 2. This is a b c x1 y1 z1. So 2 equals to y minus 2 divided by 2 equals to z minus 1 divided by 3 equal to some t. Equal to some t. That means this line is nothing but this has a point on it. And the line is drawn parallel to the vector. 2, 2, 1 means what? So this is A bar position vector. B bar is nothing but 2i plus 2j plus k. This is Cartesian form. CF means Cartesian form. Vector form means R bar equal to A bar plus the difference is the above point is there. You write like this. So I plus 2j plus k position vector this one plus t into 2i plus 2j plus 1 plus k. This is the vector form. This is the vector form, right? So if this is there, you can write this. If this is there, you can write this, right? Line must be like always. X coefficient must be 1, y coefficients must be 1, z coefficient must be 1. Suppose there is a vector form. Suppose vector form is there like this. This is a line. You want to write in Cartesian form. Convert like this. A bar plus B bar. A bar plus always convert like this. I plus j minus 2k. Minus 2k. So this is nothing but point 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is nothing but passing through point. And dr's vector direction vector is nothing but this. Dr's 1 1 minus 2. So these are A B C. Vector form is there. You want to write in Cartesian form. In this chapter, we will always write in Cartesian form. X minus 1 by A equals to y minus 2 divided by B equals to z minus 3 divided by minus 2. Like that. Look at Cartesian form is there. Vector form like this. If vector form is there, Cartesian form like this. Cartesian form like this. Right? Both can be interchangeable. Suppose find DRs and DCs of line. Find DRs and DCs of line 2x plus 1 divided by 2 equals to 1 minus 5 divided by 1 equals to 1 minus 2z divided by 4. Like this it is given on. So this is not in standard form. This is not in standard form. X coefficient must be 1, y coefficient must be 1, z coefficient must be 1. That's why 2 take common. 2 take common. 2 take common divided by 2 equal to minus 1 you take common. 2 you take common. Always make 1. Right? This is the one. So you write x plus 1 by 2 divided by 1. Whatever it is there, write it to the denominator. So this is in standard form. Whatever the constant is there, bring to the denominator. This is in standard form. So x minus x1 divided by a equals to y minus y1 divided by b equals to z minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. This is the one. That means drs of this line are 1 minus 1 2. DRs are what? 1 minus 1 2. Don't write 2 1 4. Line must be in standard form, means x coefficient must be 1, y coefficient must be 1, z coefficient must be 1, and all the numbers, constants must be in the denominator. This is in standard form. So DRs means this, DCs means what? DCs means plus or minus a divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. These are the DCs. After calculating DRs, you calculate what are DCs. This line means it passes, line will be like this. Look at it. It passes through the point. One point will be there on the line. What is that? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 comma minus 1 by 2. This point lies on the line, and DRs are 1 minus 1 2. These are DRs. These are DRs. Right? Suppose in vector form, if you want to write vector form. This is position vector A bar. A bar means what? A bar plus T B bar. A bar means minus 1 by 2i plus j minus 1 by 2k plus t into drs are there. Vector means what? I minus j plus 2k. In vector form, line is this. In Cartesian form, that is given. Like that conversion always. X coefficient 1, y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1. This form, whatever I told, is called point and DR's formum. If point is known and DRs are known. Suppose let us say A, B, C. One minus 1, 4. Right? Suppose this is there. Right? Find equation of AB, let us say. Find equation of AB. Equation of AB. So DRs you calculate first. DRs are what? X2 minus X1 minus 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. These are A, B, C. A, B, C. On AB, 2 points are there. Any point you can take as X1, Y1, Z1. So that point I am taking Y minus 2 divided by minus 1. Z minus 3 divided by minus 1 equal to T. This is the equation of the line. Or you can write by taking this point also, no problem. Anything is same. Minus 2 y minus 1 y minus 1 divided by minus 1 z minus 2 divided by minus 1. Line you can write this or this, no problem. Both are points on the line. Any point you can take. Any point you can take. Suppose this line only in vector form you want to write. Vector form is what? Point. Point is Suppose this you want to write 1, 2, 3. That means I plus 2j plus 3k plus t into minus 2i minus j minus k. This is the line in vector form. Suppose if you want to write equation of median AD. Suppose if you want to write equation of median AD, first we will calculate what are the DRs. So this is midpoint is what 0, comma 0, comma 3. Right, midpoint is nothing but 0, comma 0, comma 3. So and again DRs. So DRs are nothing but minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, comma 0. These are DRs. You take any point of your choice, both. I am taking this point. X minus 0 divided by minus 1. Y minus 0 divided by minus 2. So Z minus 3 divided by 0 equal to T. So this is the equation in Cartesian form. Suppose if you want to write vector form, R bar equals to 0i plus 0j plus 3k plus t into what are the DRs? Minus I direction vector minus 2j. This is the equation of medium. Just simple. Equation of the line means calculate DRs and take one point and write the Cartesian form. So that is the equation of the line. How to calculate the equation of the line? Equation of line passing through two points, 2-point form. Passing through 2 points A x1 y1 z1 and B x2 y2 z2. 2-point form this is called. So A point is there, B point is there. 2 points, just DRs we will calculate them. DRs are what? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is A, B, C. A, B, C. So therefore, take one point and write x minus x1 divided by A equal to y minus y1 divided by B equals to z minus z1 divided by C equal to T. This is called 2-point form. You can directly write this formula or follow this method. A, B, C you find out, take one point and write the line. This is called 2-point form. If the 2 points are there on the line, right? This is called 2-point form. Look at next. Suppose 2 lines are there. A1 equal to C. Now the lines will come. Z minus Z1 divided by C1. This is line 1. Line 1. L2. Line 2. So this is line in standard form. This is line in standard form. Right? So that means this meaning is that this line passes through x1, y1, z1 and has DRs a1, b1, c1. This line passes through x2, y2, z2 and has DRs A2, B2, C2. So clearly DRs are known. DRs are known. Now angle number 1, acute angle. Same formula. Acute angle. Formula is same because DRs are known. Of course, line equation will be given to you. C2 square bus angle, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle equal to pi minus theta. Obtuse angle equal to pi minus, formula is same. Yesterday we have done. If line has DRs A1, B1, C1, DRs A2, B2, C2, then angle between the lines is same. Now, equation he will give, equation he will give. Suppose take an example. Suppose lines are parallel. Lines are parallel if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Lines are parallel. This condition, lines are parallel means DRs are known. What is the condition? That only same condition. Lines are perpendicular if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Same formula. Same formula will be applicable. Suppose this is one line. This is one line. Suppose you want to calculate angle between the lines. Angle between the lines. So convert into standard form. 2 take common. 2 take common or otherwise x coefficient numerator and denominator divided by 2. Divided by 2 means you will get this. Here in standard form means this is y minus 0 divided by minus 1. Both numerator and denominator divided by minus 1. Minus 2 standard form. Both numerator and denominator divided by z coefficient. Z plus 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now these are the lines in standard form. So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Now DRs you know, DRs of first line you know, DRs of second line you know. Cos theta is nothing but modulus 3 by 2 into minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by root of whatever you calculate, that you will get the root of 9 by 4 plus 1 plus 4 into root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 by 4. You calculate this, whatever you will get, that will be the angle. Just simple. If the lines are given, convert into standard form. Always x coefficient must be 1. If anything is there, with 2 divide both numerator and denominator. Convert into standard form A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. And then cos theta. Right? Suppose, take one example. Suppose lines are given like this. Lines are given like this. If lines are parallel, if lines are parallel, find K. If lines are parallel, find K. What is the condition for parallel? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So write first line equal to -2, comma. This is in standard form only. Now this line is there, x plus 1 by 4 equal to y plus 2 by 8, right? Both numerator and denominator divided by k, divided by k, 4 divided by k. This comes out to be z minus 3 by k divided by 4 by k. Like that you have to convert into standard form. So this is A1, this is B1, this is C1. So this is A2, this is B2, this is C2. This is C2. Now the lines are parallel means A1 by A2. That means 2 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4 equal to 4 divided by 8 equal to -2 divided by 4 by k. That means 1 by 2 equals to -2k divided by 4. So that means 2 ones, 2 twos. So this two will get cancelled. Therefore, k equal to -1. K equals to -1. So parallel means just lines in standard form, and A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Suppose the same question, if lines are perpendicular, find K. If lines are perpendicular means A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. C1, C2 equal to 0. That means if condition is A1, A2, that means 2 into A1 is this 2 into 4 plus B1 4 into 8, 4 into 8 minus 2 into 4 by k minus 8 by k equal to 0. So 8 plus 32 equal to 8 by k. That means k is nothing but 8 divided by 40. That means 1 by 5. Like that. If two lines are given, if they are perpendicular, write the condition. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Yesterday also we have done same. Yesterday what he has given, DRs of one line are given, DRs of second line are given. Now line equations will be given to you here. You have to find A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Parallel means A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. Perpendicular means A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. If the lines x equals to, if the lines x equals to, if the lines one line is given like this L1 he has given like this, x equal to 3y plus 4 comma z equals to lambda y plus 4. Line L1 means these both. Line L1 is given like that. L2 is given like this. L2 is given as x equals to minus 2y plus 3 minus 2y plus 3. Z equals to 5y minus 4. 5y minus 4 are perpendicular. Find lambda. Suppose, look at very important. Line 2 means these both equations. Line 1 is not given in standard form. Line 1 is not given in standard form. For converting L1 into standard form, look at in these two equations, common variable is what? Y. In these two equations, common variable is what? Y. We will convert into standard form like this. Common variable we will calculate from the first equation. Y is what? X minus 4 divided by 3. From the second equation, common variable is what? Z minus 4 divided by lambda. Equate these two. Equal to y equal to lambda. This is the standard form. This is the standard form. Actually, line is this. That how he has given this? He has equated these two, and then one equation he got that he has given. He has equated these two. One equation he got that he has given. Right? When the equations are given like this, that represent the line. This method is, in these two, common variable is y. Calculate from the first equation, calculate from the second equation, and equate both. This line is in now standard form. Standard form. Now drs are what for this? This is 1. A1 equal to 3 comma B1 equal to 1, C1 equal to lambda. drs of the line. Suppose line 2, look at line 2, common variable is again y. So that means y equals to x minus 3 divided by minus 2. So from this, y equal to z plus 4 divided by 5. So what is the line in standard form? 5. So this is 1. So this is in standard form. X coefficient 1, y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1. So A2 equal to minus 2, B2 equal to 1, C2 equal to 5. Lines are perpendicular. So A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. That means minus 6. So minus 6 plus 1 plus 5 lambda equal to 0. So 5 lambda equal to 5. Lambda is 1. Like that. This is, if this is not in standard form, convert into standard form and drs. Convert into standard form and drs. The method is common variable equate. Like that, perpendicularity condition for the lines. If the two lines are perpendicular, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. These lines will be continued next week. Just we are advancing the syllabus. These lines will be from next week onwards. Okay, look at now, this can be given also, no problem. Look at this is the one. Next, last concept is, look at one formula. You remember the formulas. This will be, this is for your week, this week's syllabus now, whatever I am telling. You will get the question also. Look at equation of plane always in this form. Equation of plane Planes will be next week, but just formula is there this week's syllabus. Equation of the plane always will be in this form. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Just like straight line, xy constant will be there. Plane equation will be like this. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Plane equation will be like this. You remember this, just this point. Planes next week chapter is there. Just one formula is there, this week's syllabus. Equation of plane is Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. If this equation is given, it is called plane. Look at one formula, two problems only, just two problems I will tell and remember this formula. Whatever I am telling, this you will get definitely. Look at just simple formula. Angle between a line. Angle between a line will be there. Acute angle between a line. A line is given this. That means line has DRs A1, B1, C1 and plane. Plane is, remember, A2x plus B2y plus C2z plus D2 equal to 0, let us say. Line has DRs A1, B1, C1 and plane coefficients are there A2, B2, C2, remember. Then just formula you remember. Next week you will get this syllabus. I will tell how. Modulus sin theta formula is nothing but between lines we will write the cos theta. Here sin theta, you remember this. Angle between a line and a plane. This is actually between two lines cos theta this is. Here angle between a line and plane means you write sin theta. A1, B1, C1 are what? Line DRs are there. Those are A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2 means what? In the plane X coefficient A2, Y coefficient B2, Z coefficient C2. Just remember this formula. Look at the problem. Directly you will give. Find the angle. Logic you will get next week. Find the angle between Z plus 3 by minus 1 and this is line and plane 2x plus 3y minus z minus 4 equal to, just directly you will give problem. Look at A1, B1, C1 you write. A1, B1, C1 means line DRs. This, so A2, B2, C2. 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. Now sin theta formula you write. Don't forget, you don't write cos theta, sin theta. So look at sin theta is modulus of A1, A2 minus 2 plus 6 plus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6 into root of, so 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14. Therefore, theta is nothing but sine inverse 5, 6 minus 1, 5 divided by root of 84. This is the angle. Bus. Right? This is the angle. Just he will ask angle between line and plane. Last problem. Last problem. Indirectly, he will ask the problem like this. If the angle theta between the line x plus 1 by 1 equals to y minus 1 by 2 equals to z minus 2 by 2, and plane 2x minus y plus root lambda z is such that sine theta equal to 1 by 3. Then indirectly he will ask lambda equal to dash. Right? So just formula application only. A1, B1, C1 is nothing but 1, 2, 2. A2, B2, C2 is nothing but 2, comma, minus 1, comma, root lambda. For the plane A2, B2, C2, what is the formula? Sin theta equals to modulus A1, A2. A1, A2 means 1 into 2, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 2 into root lambda. This divided by, those 2 to cancel, divided by root of 9 into root of 4 plus 1 plus lambda, 5 plus lambda. This root 9 and 3 will get cancelled. So therefore that implies 2 root lambda. 2 root lambda equal to root of 5 plus lambda. Squaring on both sides, 4 lambda equal to 5 plus lambda. That means 3 lambda is nothing but 5. Lambda is nothing but 5 by 3. Like that. Just line he will give, plane he will give, and then angle he will give. Just write sine theta formula. Then you will get the value of lambda. Okay now. Okay. Thank you all of you, Amma. Have a nice day and all the best for the exam.